Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel, and we are going to take a look into AI stocks today. Now yesterday AI C3 AI had a great day, great earnings, and the stock went up 23%. Now that's a big reason to look at the stock. Also, we're going to take a look at two other hot AI stocks that are really like BBAI and Soundhound. We're going to take a look at them later on in this video. But first, AI, ticker symbol AI, that had great earnings, up 23%, as you can see. And I really like this move. Why? Because we instantly broke above the 50-day moving average. As you can see, that was at $22.19, and it was kind of you only get the resistance here at the 50 and the support here at the 200-day moving average, and we did break to the upside, which is great, strong signal. Now from here it's quite logical that the next resistance is going to be at the high of April, which was at 34.68. There's literally not much room there left. There's not much resistance left there. There are no moving averages. Even if you go look at the weekly moving average, we do not see that there's anything for resistance. On the monthly time frame, we are even above the 20-month moving average, and there is not a moving average before that. So basically, there is still a lot of room to the upside for this stock as of right now. So definitely be watching this. However, what you do see at the previous runs up, it kind of tends to fall back to the moving average, the blue on the 20-day. It kind of every run up seems to be followed by a run down, finding some support here even to 200 days. So, I mean, we can say that the support levels are definitely on the 200-day moving average, which is still right here. And from this area on, it's approximately a 30% drop still, 20-30% drop. On the upside, however, there's still room for a much larger move up, around 40-50% up. So this definitely has a lot of upside potential still to come. However, keep in mind that it really tends to, after every run up, run down, find support at either the 20-day, the 50-day, even the 200 days. So what I actually do hope to see for this stock, that we're going to see some more healthy trend up. And for that matter, I would be focusing on that trend line we are currently still in. So on a longer time frame, that would mean that even though we we could today or tomorrow still move up 10, 20, 30%, or drop down 10, 20, 30% in the upcoming days, it's a very volatile stock, but I would like to see a more healthier stock movement where the price will go within a trend, stay within this channel, eventually break this. But keep in mind, it will probably find its way back to the support lines, but still there's a lot of room left to the upside. It's a great risk reward play. Potential upside is larger in this sense within this channel line than the downward support line. So make your own decision, but it's a really nice play and a strong signal that we did move above the 50-day, and we moved above the 20-week. So yeah, this is definitely looking very great for C3 AI. Then we're gonna go to BBAI. Yeah, this stock is a little less volatile at the moment. We are kind of stuck in this area. I mean, you can't really call it a bull flag anymore. I mean, you kind of can, but it's a very long one. And as you can see, we have found some support here at the 230 area. We're hovering around the moving average lines. Yeah, if we break below this, keep in mind that we are probably going to visit the 200-day moving average, which is currently at $1.96. Here it was the resistance in March. We broke it. It was a new support. After that, we broke a little higher. So yeah, for a break here on the downside, watch the 200-day moving average. On the upside, watch this channel right here. If we break that, we would definitely be looking to attack this area here, which is actually a double resistance. Basically, it was the high in March and it was the high in April, and from this point on it will be a move to the 370s, which is a very nice 50% gain. On the downside, I could only see maybe 20-30% drop. So Risk reward wise, this is also a great play on the short term. Much more room to the upside than to the downside on that time frame. Looking into the weeklies, we do see that the blue line here, which is the 20-week moving average, is at 275, which is also approximately the level of the 20-day. So yeah, watch that level first, then the trend line, then the 370. So there's, I mean, quite some resistance left for BBAI, but definitely more room up, down, more room down. So I do like this play as well, and also with the hot AI sector, with the AI ticker moving up that much, I think AI stocks are definitely hot again within the next couple of days and weeks. Then lastly, we have Soundhound, and we already discussed this stock last week, so we still have the drawings ready. And it's crazy, but we can just leave the drawings as they are because we are still in this channel, and it's a great channel. It's coming closer and closer together right now. As you can see, the 20-day, the 50-day, and the 200-day are all coming together here at around $2.50. We do see that the support and the resistance are coming together, and within the next couple of days, we're either going to break to the upside or to the downside. And here you can see on the upside, we definitely have room to run to the 330s. Then on the downside, we might first visit the 220s, and then if we would break that, it would be a long way back all the way to the 160. So this play is more risky, but I mean, if the other AI stocks can gain some momentum here, we could definitely, if we would break that uptrend, see a nice little run to the 330s, and that would still be a nice 20-30% gain. If we really would really break that, there's also a lot of room to the upside to the 450s here, and that would almost be a 80-90% gain. So for this one, I would definitely wait on some signals, either a break to the up or the downside here. I wouldn't really gamble here on either a break to the up or the downside, because it's very hard to tell. But it will be a really interesting one to follow. Soundhound, it's also a really interesting AI play. Um, Please let me know in the comments what you're going to think about these stocks, if you would like to see some other tickers being discussed here on this channel. Also, please don't forget to give a like and a subscribe, and I hope to see you guys the next video.